Pero before that, paano kayo napasok sa gobyerno?
Well, actually 2005 I was appointed by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo sa LLDA. So director tayo dyan. Then in 2010, pero 2008, terminal manager ako ng T3, kasama ko rin sa isa sa mga nagpasimula ng Terminal 3. Then eventually naging general manager ako ng Manila International Airport Authority. But after noon, private practice ako. May law office talaga ako, Attorney Jess, sa BGC. Actually, yung law office ko since 1999 pa.
Anong name ng firm? Matibag and?
Dati,
Or
nandun yung
Matibag and
name ko.
Matibag?
Dati andun yung name ko, but inalis ko yung name ko. Pag nasa government ka, you have to remove it. No? Pero I continue to be parang doon pa rin yung office.
Of counsel, consultant.
Actually ngayon, hindi rin pwede because of my
Parang
position.
kaibigan lang. Kaibigan
So
lang
gano'n na
naman
lang
mga
ngayon.
ano.
I make some advice. No? Siyempre as a lawyer, lagi naman tayong...
So, dalawang posisyon or tatlo and then pahinga law firm,
Law
private.
firm, yeah, private practice. Yun naman talaga yung... Saka teaching din. I'm teaching sa law school. Sa Universidad de Manila, nagturo ako, San Sebastian. Then ngayon, yung bago ko na-appoint talaga, I'm the Dean of the Lyceum Alabang Law School.
Ah, wow.
So,
Dean ka din pala.
Dean ng College of Law. Ako yung nagsimula, founding dean on the second year dapat ngayon. Then yun na nga, cabinet secretary, tsaka president CEO ng NTC. But yung entry point ko talaga ng 2016 is not position in the government but as a Deputy Secretary General of the ruling party at that time, which is PDP Laban.
Ayun.
Ano